Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on Show Your Data right here, and as you can see at the very top we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the screen today. And as you can see, I've been using it for above 1 hour. The most of the time I've spent on the settings, but I also use the phone camera and other. Here we've got also the unlock count and notifications count. After tapping on this graph, we can actually check the weekly and daily screen time. Of course, we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. Here you've got also listed the apps which you've been using and for how long. So I've been using the settings for 50 minutes and phone for 7 minutes. So after getting back, you can also use some ways to disconnect. So if you need the time for yourself, for example the bedtime, or you need to focus on something you have to learn or work, then you can set those modes, let's say. After tapping on it, you will be able to set a schedule. You will be able to mark the apps you'd like to limit the notifications which you're receiving, and thanks to this your device will turn them off and you will be able to focus. What's more, here you've got the reduce interruptions section, and here you can manage notifications or enable the not disturb mode. Of course, you can get to the parental controls right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.